What's up friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change Google Drive start page. Before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. So let me go ahead and open up my Google Drive here. So once you open up Google Drive, generally it starts at home, but you can change this to have it start at, for example, your My Drive, where it looks much cleaner and more organized. But how do you go about doing that? Just simply click the gear on the upper right hand side, click on your settings, and here you'll find the option start page and select My Drive. And that's it guys, you don't even have to do anything else. Then the next time you open up your Google Drive, let me show you. I'm going to open up my Google Drive again. When I open it, it's going to open up into My Drive, and that's it. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.